Hi guys, welcome to Run Deals. Today I'm going to be reviewing this hot and cold tumbler that I got for my husband. Really nice. It's got a cute little saying. It's a perfect gift for Christmas, holiday, birthday, any occasion. This is a great gift. Father's Day, like this says Daddy Saurus, like a normal daddy but more awesome. So your husband will love this. All dads out there, or even for your dad, will love this. There's other sayings that you can get. You can even get for grandpa. There's a lot of different things that you can get. It's made of stainless steel, so it's really nice. It keeps cold drinks for 12 hours, and it keeps hot drinks for 6 hours, so that's really great. It's two ways that you can drink. So you can lift this piece up and sip through here. So, you know, convenient. Then you can just close that. And if you want to, like if you have an iced coffee or if you're having, you know, a smoothie or anything, comes with a stainless steel straw that you can stick right through there. So really nice. So two different ways. Comes with the straw brush to clean. So that's also really nice. When you're done, you can clean it, make sure, you know, everything comes, is nice and clean, and you're ready to use for next time. You can easily take out the cover. So it's like, it's really sealed, like rubber sealed. So it's a really nice seal so it won't spill. So that's also great. And then the saying is on both sides. So whichever way you're looking at it, you can see it, everybody can read it, perfect. Again, such a great gift, you know, for dads out there. Highly recommend it, and I hope you enjoy. Bye. You can also visit Run Deals mobile app for even more deals.